Hi, my name's Libby Seward. I'm going to be teaching the Masterclass in the Feldenkrais Method on December the 8th. Just to give you a little bit of a heads up about what we'll be doing on the day, I'll do a little introduction about the method before we begin, but really it's a very relaxing day. It's not a challenging movement, hot and sweaty sort of scenario. You'll be doing some gentle, relaxing movement using the breath, exploring really minute movements to access more ease, more flexibility, and just generally good feeling. You know, it's very good for the well-being, very good in the warm-up to Christmas maybe for a few people. So it'd be lovely to see you there and come and find out more.